Hi friends, today I am here to explain a topic in strategic cost management, the functional wise classification of cost. There are different types of cost according to the functional wise. First one is manufacturing or production costs. The manufacturing or production costs are the costs incurred with producing goods or services. That is, while producing producing a good or a service, we have to incur some costs. That costs are called manufacturing or production costs. The different examples of manufacturing or production costs are raw materials, direct labor, factory overheads, etc. Next one is research and development costs, or shortly R&D costs. The cost incurred for developing new products, services, or processes. That is, research and development means we are developing a new idea or improving our current situations. The cost incurred in this research and development is known as research and development costs. The examples of research and development costs are prototyping expenses, testing and experimentation costs. Next one is marketing and sales cost. Every good or service need to be marketed and it had to be sold for achieving the income. So the cost incurred for marketing like advertising etc. are known as marketing and sales cost. The examples of marketing and sales costs are advertising and promotional expenses, sales team salaries and distribution costs. Next one is administrative costs. Administrative costs are the costs for general management and operational control. Administration cost is related to the administration of the organization. The cost incurred for properly administrating the organization is called administrative cost. Examples of administrative costs are executive salaries, office supplies, IT infrastructure for administration, etc. Next one is customer service cost. We all know customer is the most important part of an organization. The costs incurred in dealing with the customers are known as customer service costs. This includes call center operations, warranty claims, technical support, etc. Next one is logistics and supply chain costs. The cost incurred in the procurement, storage and movement of goods. We all know the logistics is related to the movement of goods and services, the transportation, etc. So the cost incurred in this logistics and supply chain activities are known as logistics and supply chain costs. The examples are transportation and freight, warehousing and inventory holding costs, etc. Next one is quality management costs. We have to produce our goods and services up to the quality mark. Then only we can achieve good quality goods and services. So the cost incurred in managing this quality is known as quality management cost. The examples are quality control testing, training for quality improvement, cost or rework or scrap, etc. Next one is compliance and risk management cost. The cost associated with adhering to regulations and managing risk. We have to manage our risks and we have to follow the government regulations and legal formalities of to maintain our organization. So the cost incurred for these activities are known as compliance and risk management costs. The examples are legal and compliance audits, risk assessment processes, insurance premiums, etc. Thank you.